So here is my reaction about Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. So I heard it in the Facebook post that Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, had already admitted his mistake. Eventually, he admitted his mistake for what he just did to Vico Soto, the mayor of Pasig City, what he just did to this kid last year. He pushed that kid in SM Grand Central in the stairs, and also he's the one who stole the bicycle in Las Piñas. I think the bicycle in Las Piñas, that the bicycle of Jen Bravo was stolen by Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. So Arnel G. Castillo, Best Pill, had already admitted his mistake. Even what he just did to the teachers in CDIFI, even those beauty queens of Miss Earth title holders, he admitted his mistake. He admitted that he makes an act of lasciviousness at Shania Kiana, Michelle D, even Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Marisa Conche, including Teacher Freddy May Masalab Silos, Teacher Rina Nebres, Teacher Lovelyn Bilasor, Teacher Isa Bancula, and even Wawel Romero and Teacher Evelyn Caja. Not even that, he included the Miss Earth title holders, Miss Earth 2023, Drita Ziri, even the Miss Earth 2022, Mina Suchoy, he included them. And now, you see Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. At least you admitted your mistake that you made the rape joke or act of lasciviousness. And now, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you're finally admitted that you stole the money of Gio Malana in Marikina in his house. You stole the cell phone of Sir Calvin Cuevas in Marikina. So, however, you admitted your mistake and you said in Tagalog, pasensya na po kung nakakamali ako. Best Pill Arnel Castillo says. So, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, at least you made lots of mistake. Even for what you just did to Diwata, you criticized Diwata, and you cursed Diwata at GAGO. And now you want to say sorry because I know what is your feeling. Your ambition is to bash Diwata. And now you felt apologize. You felt yourself in grief. And now you felt ashamed of yourself, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. However, if you see in your face, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, look at in the mirror. And I say in the Filipino, tignan mo ang salamin, Best Pill. Arnel G. Castillo, if you see in the mirror, now you will face your lots of consequences. Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. And now you see what will happen next and what you have done to Paula Nunez, what have you done to Drita Ziri, because both are very angry at you, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. You should not mention about the name of Paula Nunez and Drita Ziri. You know that, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo. You know, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you are a bully. You are a criminal. So you admitted your mistake. Your family are affected too. Your cousins, your relatives are affected. They are angry at you, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo. And now what you gonna say? You are convicted in cybercrime. And now it has inquest proceedings. You are being inquest, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo. However, if you're being inquest, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo, you're going to jail, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo. Like, for example, I was told by Joseph Maspinas, maghanap ka na ng abogado, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo. You are most wanted by authorities, and now what you have to say, you're going to be in jail. You know, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, I said to you, show your consequences, face your consequences, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo. That is your fault. And now you admitted your mistake. Look at Gina Sedjo, my arch enemy. She finally admitted that her mistake, that she scolded me in CDIFI. She admitted that her mistake, she attacked Shania Kiana. She admitted her mistake, that she scolded my former friend, David Gill, in 1999. And now, you see, Gina Sedjo, you admitted your mistake. You admitted your mistake, that you are the one who made this involve. I know you, Gina Sedjo, you attacked my friend Shania Kiana, and you scolded me in CDIFI year 2003 and 2004. You know, Gina Sedjo, you finally admitted your mistake. So both of you, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo, and Gina Sedjo, it is time to go to prison, to both of you. At least Mang Rodelio Daguman was being released from in the prison in Muntinlupa. In the Muntinlupa police station, he was released. And now Mang Rodelio Daguman, he was being find himself a lawyer. He filed his counter affidavit, and he apologized to, who is it? Cedric Mariano. At least Mang Rodelio Daguman is quite behave. He's never making enemies. At least he's quite behave. What about you, Bespils, Arnel G. Castillo? People are filing you a complaint affidavit. If you want to file your own counter affidavit, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo, you ask those lawyer. The lawyer will submit it, and then you can apologize to the public. You know, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo, I know what is your feeling was. You want to say sorry. You're repeating to say sorry and sorry. You must apologize sincerely. Me, as I made a mistake, unlike you, Bespil, Arnel G. Castillo, I also apologize to Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos. When I made the blog, I learned how to apologize to those two guys and two dudes. And I learned how to apologize. I learned how to say sorry. This is my consequences. For me, I learned my consequences. I learned how to stop making fake account of Gio Malana. I submitted my apology letter to the US Embassy. I told to Jared Dino, Jared, you need to tell the US Embassy that Gio Malana needs to forgive me, that I will stop making fake account on Facebook. And I learned how to apologize to Teacher Gio Malana. What did I say to him, to Teacher Gio Malana? A public apology. That's called apology sincerely. Oh, I learn how to apology sincerely. Oh, so I can learn how to apologize sincerely to this person, Gio Malana. So for me, best pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to apologize to Diwata sincerely. So, if you say to Diwata, remember best pill, Arnel G. Castillo, I'm not picking a fight. Oh, you should never call anyone autistic. You need to apologize to me, best pill, Arnel G. Castillo. You say sorry to me that you saying you are autistic, you call me PI. Because that is a cyberbullying. You know that, best pill, Arnel G. Castillo. I know what is your ambition. Even you, Gina Sejo. You know, for both of you, Gina Sejo and Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, if both of you keep harassing other people, including Shania Kayana, Manuel Luis Antonio, even Joseph Maspinas, even Drita Ziri, even Teacher May Tiburcio, even Teacher Marisa Conche, even Mina Suchoy, even Freddy May Masalabsilos, Rina Nebres, o Teacher Rina, even Teacher Lablin Villasor, and including Teacher Evelyn Caja and Dr. Abendaño. And, you know, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you are going to be in prison. Oh, even you, Gina Sejo. Oh, both of you are going to be in prison. Oh, if you don't stop. If you don't stop, I say to both of you, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, and Gina Sejo, I will put both of you in my enemy list. Together with Mang Rodelio Daguman, that I move on from him, even I move on from Anthony Solares, even I move on with Ivy Mantalayola, even I move on from Jeffrey Beltran, Anya Santos Dumaloog, and I move on from Daramay Tuason. Oh, it's not good, Best Pill. Arnel G. Castillo. Even you, Gina Sejo. I think both of you should realize both of your mistake. Both of you should realize your mistake. All of your mistake. Both of you should realize all of your mistakes. I say to Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo and Gina Sejo. Because me, I show my mistake to also to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. Oh, I apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. What I say to her, oh, Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, I'm here to apologize to you, even to your husband, Sir Calvin Cuevas, that I put you in the enemy list. Are you going to post on Facebook about fake news and politics? I say to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, no longer. Oh, I will not post against Bongbong Marcos. I will not post against Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, so Ma'am Jessa Fernandez realized that what she has to do is to stop posting. Oh, unlike her, she posts anyway by her family picture with her husband Calvin Cuevas and her 3 children. Oh, that is why I learned how to apologize. Oh, I apologize to Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. I made a mistake. Oh, I harass her. I bully her. I apologize. Oh, you, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, and Jean Asejo, both of you should apologize to those people that you damaged them. Apologize. Oh, and you, Best Pill, Arnel G. Castillo, you need to learn how to apologize to Vico Soto, the mayor of Pasig City. And you need to apologize to those people that you damage their reputation. So it beat it.